The Synsonics drum machine by Mattel. This drum machine is a throwback from 1981. It's got 4 drum pads and a basic sequencer. It has a snare, a cymbal, a kick drum, and a tom. This was originally about $150 when it was new, but I got this one for free. Thank you, my friend Matt. There are a couple of little quirks though. The drum pads don't really work, and the power cord is missing. The sequencer should still work, so we're gonna pop 6 D batteries in this thing and see what she's got. Oh, she works. Okay, these buttons barely work. You can kind of press each one and get the sounds, and then if you hold them down, it keeps the beat to whatever tempo you're at. And then you can press 2 of them simultaneously. The kick, that's pretty usable. That's sounding pretty good to me. The snare, a little abrasive, a little harsh, but I think it's passable. There's this accent key. If you hold the accent, then it's closed hi-hat. Let go of the accent key, open hi-hat. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and record a little something here and just use the kick and the snare. Okay, so I got this plugged into the Claret, and then we're gonna record it into Logic. So here we go. Okay, so I got my loops. It sounds like this. Great. But it sounds a little harsh to me, so I'm gonna throw on the cassette plug-in to try and give it some analog warmth. And now it sounds like this. Okay, so the Mattel provided for us, gave us a little beat. I'm ready to, pick up a guitar and see what kind of song we can make here. I can clean that up later. Let's add some bass. Okay, I don't know what this is, but I think I'm liking it. I think next up is the vocals, and let's see if we got a little song here. So far, no lyrics for the verses. Chorus, cutting through to get to you. All my work for love perks. Let's try it. Cutting through to get to you. All my I think that's as good as I can do. Okay, I still don't have vocals for the verse. Let's try and spitball some things, okay? Empty as always. Empty as always. Feeling the old days. Okay, I think we made a little demo here for a song. I think I might actually want to finish this one. Turns out the Synsonic kind of pulled through. I'm liking this demo. I think we're going to make another song with this drum machine here. I kind of want to make something a little dark wavy, maybe a little Depeche Mode-y. Appreciate you guys coming in here. Sorry I'm a little low energy today. A little bit tired, but I like what we made. I hope you're doing good. I hope you are making things and doing well. Thank you. Goodbye.